pag-aaral, mas mahalaga ang matutunan ng mga salita ng mga Higaunon.
Good day! It is important to learn the word of the Higaunon people.
Greetings in Higaunon culture are not just a formality, but a way of showing respect and building relationships. By using these greetings, we can build bridges between cultures and foster greater understanding and appreciation for indigenous traditions.
Panagway masulong ba, Dad? Hello, Dad.
Ha? Managway na masulong? In Tagalog, magandang umaga.
In English, good morning.
Makasambay alid ka cellphone, no?
Ha?
Makasambay alid ka cellphone, no? In Tagalog, pwede makahiram ng cellphone mo. In English, can I borrow your phone?
Pangituk ka, in Tagalog, salamat po. In English, thank you.
Madagway maunto. Sa Tagalog, magandang hapon. In English, good afternoon.
Madagway daluman. Sa Tagalog, magandang gabi. In English, good evening.
Bayan lang. Sa Tagalog, okay lang yun. In English, it's alright.
In Higaunon, boko. Tagalog, boko. In English, yes, you may.
In Higaunon words, buhok. Sa Tagalog, anit. In English, skull. In Higaunon words, tulang taulo. In Tagalog, buhok. In English, hair.
In Higaunon, indal taulo. In Tagalog, bumok. In English, skull. In Higaunon, tangan. In Tagalog, noo. In English, forehead. In Higaunon, kilay. Sa Tagalog, kilay. In English, eyebrow.
Higaunon words, mata. In Tagalog, mata. In English, eyes.
Higaunon words, dila. In Tagalog, dila. In English, thumb. Higaunon word, abawa. Sa Tagalog, balikat. In English, shoulder. Higaunon word, alima. Sa Tagalog, kamay. In English, hand.